claims she was nearly raped by somebody pretending to be an Uber driver, and now 2 years later, Gary Pyrus is on trial for that attack. But the defense says the woman's story just doesn't add up. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez shows us the evidence that could raise doubt.
What started out as a fun holiday with her friends turned out to be her own worst nightmare.
Was violently grabbed and put in the back seat.
After he pretended to be her Uber driver in an attempt to kidnap her and to sexually batter her.
I could not stop screaming.
A 4th of July celebration 2 years ago ended, prosecutors say, in the violent attack of a 26-year-old woman. They say her attacker is Gary Pyrus. After a day of drinking and celebrating the 4th of July with friends at the patio bar in South Tampa, she remembers requesting an Uber ride around 2 in the morning and a driver calling out her name. Believing it was her Uber ride, she got in the front passenger seat, but quickly realized she was in trouble when he passed her destination and pulled into an empty parking lot.
I'm like, hey, I can get out, and I wasn't let out. That's when my heart started racing, and I got really scared.
She says she doesn't remember how she ended up in the back seat, but once there, she claims Pyrus attacked her,
ripping off my clothes.
She fought him off, she says, and was able to get away. But the defense says the woman's story just doesn't add up. They claim there is no record of her ever calling for an Uber. They say surveillance video shows her walking, not running out of the car, and then returning.
And then stops, turns, walks right back to him. You see, didn't just get into Gary Pyrus's car voluntarily once outside of the patio. She did it twice.
The defense also points out evidence that doesn't exist.
Law enforcement found DNA of 3 people, neck and chest. But it ain't Gary Pyrus.
A lot for the jury to think about as they determine what really happened and who is telling the truth. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
All right, Gloria, and testimony does continue tomorrow, and the jury could have the case, we're told, by Thursday.